Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamandungwa Khumalo. What do conveyancing attorneys do? Buying a property is not like buying any other items. You don't just simply sign on the dotted line and the property is yours. Instead, we have conveyancing attorneys to help facilitate this process. These are the different types of conveyancing attorneys that you might deal with on your home buying journey. The first are the transferring attorneys. They transfer the property from the seller to the buyer and are usually appointed by the seller. The second are the registration or the bond attorneys. They work on behalf of the bank to register the bond over that particular property. And lastly are the cancellation attorneys. These attorneys cancel the seller's existing home loan in the event that the property is bonded. They are appointed by the bank that's doing the cancellation. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.